Yep, and we're back, folks. We got for you here one 2009 Dodge Challenger RT edition. Yes, it is Hemi powered. It's got an upgraded aftermarket exhaust, and it sounds mean. Black on black leather, automatic transmission, upgraded JVC sound, like new Goodyears on the 20 Alcoas, black Hemi stripe. This vehicle has a clean Carfax, doesn't appear to have any paintwork on it. Super nice car, drives strong, gets up and goes, cold air intake, Hemi 5.7, icy cold AC, lightly tinted out windows, couple tasteful mods on it, nothing crazy. It's got that beautiful rumble to her. All service and safety inspected. Guaranteed credit approval is available on this vehicle. Yes, you can drive a Challenger RT with bad credit. At least you can at DasCleveland.com. A couple paycheck stubs will get you started. Give us a good 45 minutes of your time. Bring a smile on your face and bring those paycheck stubs. Let's see what we got for you. Going to do a 3-month, 4,500 mile service contract over the driveline on this vehicle. Going to get you that perfect Carfax and going to get you approved. DasCleveland.com. We'll see you soon. These don't last long, so come on down and let's take her for a ride.